Namaste. In this episode, I am talking about the shlokas we should recite while lighting lamp in a Deepavali. The Deepavali day, not only that, the previous day and before that, starting from Trayodashi, Chaturdashi and Amavasya. These 3 days, while lighting lamp, we have to recite some shlokas, and each light has the own name and behind the meaning of it. So for example, 18th Saturday, when we light the lamp, it's called Yamadeepa, and 19th Sunday, when we light the lamp, it's called Narakadeepa. In this Deepa, we have to put the 4 directions, wick in 4 directions, and we have to light the lamp. And finally, the 20th, which is Monday, Amavasya, that day, it is a path light for our ancestors. So, while lighting a lamp, we have to recite the sloka. First, on Saturday the 18th, the Yamadeepa, when we are lighting a lamp, we have to recite the shloka. The shloka is Mrityuna Pashadandabhyam Kalena Shyamaya Saha Trayodashyam Deepadhanat Suryajaha Priyatam Mama Mrityuna Pashadandabhyam Kalena Shyamaya Saha Trayodashyam Deepadhanat Suryajah Priyatam Mama. Now the Naraka Chaturdashi day, which is 19th Sunday, it's called Narakadeepa. Shloka is Datto Deepa Chaturdashyam Naraka Pritaye Mama Chaturvarti Samayuktaha Sarva Papa Panuttaye. One more time. Datto Deepa Chaturdashyam Naraka Pritaye Mama Chaturvarti Samayuktaha Sarva Papa Panuttaye. Now the final day, which is Amavasya, Deepavali day, it is a path light for our ancestors who were visited during Mahalaya Paksha. Now they are going back to their own place. So while lighting lamp, we have to recite this shloka. Agni Dagdhaha Cha Ye Jivaha Yepya Dagdhaha Kule Mama Ujjvala Jyotisha Vartma Prapashyantu Vrajantu Te Yamalokam Parityajya Agataye Mahalaye Ujjvala Jyotisha Dagdhaha Teyantu Paramangatim. One more time. Agni Dagdhaha Chaye Jiva Yepya Dagdhaha Kule Mama Ujjvala Jyotisha Vartma Prapashyantu Vrajantu Te Yamalokam Parityajya Agataye Mahalaye Ujjvala Jyotisha Dagdhaha Teyantu Paramangatim. Namaste. So these are the shlokas while lighting lamp in the Deepavali we have to recite. So happy Deepavali to all. Namaste.